Today we will be expanding double brackets. To expand double brackets, you have to multiply each term in the left bracket with each term in the right bracket. The easy way of doing this is to draw lines from each one. So you can, when you're timesing x by y, it's x times y, so xy. And then you have it x times 3, 3x, and it's a plus 3x, because both signs are pluses. Then you have a 2 times the y, so it's plus 2y. And then you times the 2 by the 3, plus 6. Have a try at solving this one. First, you times the a times b, ab. Then you times the a by the minus 5, minus 5a. Then you times the 4 by the b, plus 4b. And then finally, you times the 4 by the minus 5, minus 20. Sometimes you need to simplify your answer, but here we don't need to. Let's have a look at some more questions. For this one, we start with timesing the 9 by the y. 9y is a plus 9y. So we just put 9y. Then it's a 9 by the minus 3. Minus 27. Then it's the minus x times the y. Minus xy. Then it's a minus x by the minus 3. Plus 3x, because a minus times a minus is a plus. So it's plus 3x. You can't simplify that anymore, so that is your answer. I hope that has helped you. Let's see if you can do the next question. Our next question, number 4, is 2, then in the brackets x plus 4, close bracket, and then you open the bracket for y plus 1, close bracket. Try and solve it. So, you have to keep the brackets together for this one, and then you multiply it by the 2. So you have your 2, then you open the bracket. And then it's x, and then the x times the y is xy. You put that in the bracket. Then the x times the plus 1 is x plus x. And then it's the plus 4 times the y, plus 4y. Then it's a plus 4 times a plus 1, plus 4. And then you have to multiply that by the 2. So it's a 2xy plus 2x plus 8y plus 8. And that is your answer. All of the variables are separate, so we don't need to simplify. Now, see if you can do this one, and remember to multiply each term in the left bracket with each term in the right bracket. First, it's the x times x, x squared. Then it's the x times the plus 3, plus 3x. Then it's the plus 6 times the x, plus 6x. then it's the plus 6 times the plus 3 plus 18. Okay, but you still have to simplify because it's not finished, because you can simplify. You can still do maths on it. So it will be x squared, and the plus 3x and the plus 6x have to be added together, making plus 9x, and then it's plus 18. Now that is finished. Now it's simplified, and you've finished the question. Have a try at solving this one. So first you times the a by the a squared. Then you times the a by the plus 2, plus 2a. Then you times the minus 1 by the a, minus a. Then you times the minus 1 by the plus 2, minus 2. Because a minus times a plus equals a minus. You can still do maths on this, so you have to simplify it. So the answer will be a squared plus a minus 2. I haven't written 1a because if there is no number before an a, or an x or a y, it is assumed to be 1. So it's actually 1a, but we don't write that. So your bracket here is actually a double, even though it looks like a single. And you have to multiply each term in the left bracket with each term in the right bracket. But because it's squared, it's x minus 4 and then x minus 4. Look out for that so it doesn't catch you out. So you have to times the x by the x squared. Then the x times the minus 4, minus 4x. Then you have to times the minus 4 by the x to make another minus 4x. Then the minus 4 times the minus 4 to create plus 16. Because a minus times a minus, believe it or not, is a plus. Now you can still simplify this, so the actual answer is x squared minus 8x plus 16. So I hope that has helped you with your understanding of expanding double brackets, and you'll be alright so long as you remember to multiply each term in the left bracket with each term in the right bracket. So I'll see you later. Bye!